The given question is x raised to the power of 4 plus 2023 x raised to the power of 2 plus 2022 x plus 2023, that is equal to 0. So let's see how to find x value here. Here observe the numbers. What we have? We have 2023, 2022 and 2023. So let's make it all numbers as same. So let's make it 2023 as 2022 plus 1. Then it is going to be all numbers in same. That's why this 2023 I am going to write it as 1 plus 2022 x raised to the power of 2. After open the brackets, then you will get x raised to the power of 2 plus 2022 x raised to the power of 2. Isn't it? Now this 2022 you just write it as it is. Only this 2023, this constant term, I am going to write it as 1 plus 2022. So now observe here we have x raised to the power of 4. So just write only x raised to the power of 4. Plus here we have x raised to the power of 2. And here we have a 1. So let's write that. And remaining these 3 terms have a 2022. So that's why I am going to take it 2022 as common. So you are left with x raised to the power of 2. And here x. And here constant, that is 1. That is equal to 0. Power of 4 plus x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. So we need to find factor of this. For this expression, the factor is the most important factor, that is you need to remember this forever. This is x raised to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 times x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. So you need to remember this is very important factor for this x raised to the power of 4 plus x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. So after open the brackets, then you will get, first I am doing with x raised to the power of 2 and multiply all these 3 terms. So that is x raised to the power of 2, x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. Then I do with x, that is x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. Then I do with 1, constant 1. So if I open this, then I will get x raised to the power of 4 minus x raised to the power of 3 plus x raised to the power of 2. Then here I am going to get x raised to the power of 3 minus x raised to the power of 2 plus x. And again I am going to get x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. Here minus x raised to the power of 3 and plus x raised to the power of 3 gets cancelled. Here 1 minus x raised to the power of 2 and plus x raised to the power of 2 gets cancelled. So I left x raised to the power of 4 plus x raised to the power of 2. And what I left, plus x minus x gets cancelled, so I left only 1. So x raised to the power of 4 plus x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. The factors are x raised to the power of 2 plus x plus 1, x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. So let's take that. X raised to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 times x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. And what we have, 2022 times x raised to the power of 2 plus x plus 1. So in both terms, x raised to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 are common. So let's take it as common. X raised to the power of 2 plus x plus 1, take it as common. So we are going to left x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1 plus 2022. 2022 plus 1, which gives 2023. So let's write here 2023. From here we can say that x raised to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. And here x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 2023, that is equal to 0. So both are quartic equations. So we can use a quartic formula here. So what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let's apply here. So here minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, which is minus root 3 here. Root 3I over 2. So these are the roots of this x. And here use the same formula, that is minus b, that is minus of minus 1, which gives plus 1. So let's directly write plus 1 here, plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus 1 whole square, which is only 1, minus 4 times a is 1 and 4ac, c is 2023. 2023 times 4, which gives 8092. So after doing minus 1, then you are going to get minus 8091. Iota square, the value is minus 1. Instead of minus 1, I am going to write I raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 times 1. So 1 plus or minus the square root of I square is going to be I. Then what we have? We have square root of 8091 divided by 2. So these are the x values. First root is minus 1 plus root 3 I over 2. The second root is minus 1 minus root 3 I over 2. Third root is 1 plus square root of 8091 I over 2. The fourth root is 1 minus square root of 8091 I over 2. These are the four roots of this equation. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.